Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll be working on the Mercedes E320 here, the W211, guys, and we'll show you a quick video how to actually remove the rear seat if you need to do a fuel pump replacement, something like that, or you just want to clean underneath it or get the seat out for some purpose, replace it. Stay with us, we're going to show you how to do that. Many videos coming on that model, guys. We'll probably have, not a big word, but between 150 and 200 videos on that model. So we'll be constantly adding some, how to fix pretty much anything on it. So what you need to do, guys, let me show you quick. Okay, right here on the front you can see there is a hole. Okay, and you press this one in with a screwdriver or your finger on this side, and okay, and there is one on the other side as well, there. Okay, and then all we have to do is just pick it up. Okay, like that. Then you can just go ahead, slide it out. Okay, and you can see that's the thing that we're pressing right here. It's just a clip like that, so we have to do just press it in to pull it out. Okay, those two things large as well right here, you can see, and we're able actually to pull the whole seat out of the car if you need it for some reason. So not very complicated at all. Please subscribe, guys. Check out our website if you need any more information for the videos. We'll share their links for products and tools used on our videos as well. Thank you for watching us. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.